Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making pasta biryani. Easy and yummy in taste. Oil 4 tablespoon. Whole spices green cardamom, clove, cinnamon. Chopped onion 1 cup. Green chilies 2. Saute for 2 minutes on medium heat or until changes color. Now add ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Saute for 2 minutes. Now add chicken 200 grams. I am using boneless. Salt as per taste. Red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Turmeric half tablespoon. Biryani masala 1 tablespoon. Mix saute for 2 minutes. Chopped tomatoes 1 cup. Cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Curd 2 tablespoon. Water 2 cups. Use any shape pasta. Cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Coriander on top. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.